play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒶𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Today, if you see me, you know I got a new wig. I am back with another wig. So y'all, I am super duper excited to be back with the Temu and the Sheen wigs, because y'all know I got you. Even though the prices might be a little high, we can deal with it. As long as it's not $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90 for synthetic wigs, baby, I'm in there. Let's go. Temu, Sheen. So we are approaching fall season, so I'm gonna give you guys some wigs. So this is the wig. Can y'all guess the color? I mean, by the thumbnail, you already know. But it is a sandy blonde wig, and they gave your girl a stocking cap. Got a lot of them. I will add it to the collection. It came in one of these bags. Really nice. I like this. The hair you worth. The hair you worth. That don't make sense to me, but whatever. But it says it. It says it right there, so I'm not lying. So this is a sandy blonde color. This is not like a platinum blonde. This is literally like a dirty blonde. But let's look at it more. Let's look at her. So of course y'all know this is a synthetic wig. This is cute. I like this color. I like this color. She is very thick and I feel like she will get really nappy. Let me give you the details. So this is a middle part, as you can see, and it has two combs right here at the top. Has one comb in the back and the adjustable straps, and she is nicely made. Yeah, this is cute, and this is the lace area. So you got a little room to pluck, just a little bit, not much. She does come with baby hairs. They're very small and they really everywhere. Like, what? It has layers in it. You got some short pieces, the long pieces. So it has layers. Let me put this stocking cap on, and y'all know I reuse my stocking caps. We don't throw nothing away over here. Already foundation on it. I'm gonna put the wig on, and I'm gonna put the foundation whenever I get done laying it down. That's when I'm gonna put the foundation on. But you can put the foundation on the lace before you put your wig on. I like this color. This color is cute. Okay. The color is cute. I like it. Sandy blonde.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the milkshake brings all the boys to the boys to the boys to the milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours.
You wanna sit more on my living room floor, play Nintendo with Seasonino. Pick up my phone, say Papa not home. Sex all night, mad head in the moan. Spin my V, smoke all my weed. Tattoo on TT saying B.I.G. Now check it, you wanna be my main squeeze, baby, don't you? You wanna give me what I need, baby, won't you? Picture life as my wife, just think. Full length, make fat X and old links. Bracelets to match, conversation was all that. Showed you the safe combinations and all that. Guess you could say you's the one I trusted. Who would ever think that you would spread like mustard? Shit got hot, you sent feds to my spot. Took me to court, tried to take all I got. Another intricate plot, the bitch said I raped her. Damn, why she wanna stick me for my paper? My Moschino hole, my Versace hottie. Come to find out, you was fucking everybody. You knew about me, the fake ID. Cases in Virginia, body in DC. Won't always me, that's what I get for tricking. Came out on bail, commenced to ass kicking.
My milkshake brings all the boys